Hi, EDU 150 students. This is Dr. Legler. I wanted to give you a preview of week 10. The topic for this week is school governance, and it runs March 25th through April 5th. You can get to week 10 through pages or by going through modules. This week, what I'd like you to do is look through the following links. It'll give you some information about school governance, who oversees public schools, the federal role in education, and then I have some links about a link about the Nebraska Department of Education and uh, what school boards do. I'd also like you to watch these two videos. One is on charter schools. I know we talked a lot about that during our Issues in Education week. Um, and then this might be new for you. It's about magnet schools. In Duval County Public Schools, where I taught for 8 years, there were quite a number of magnet schools, both in the middle schools and the high schools, and they were very competitive with each other as far as recruiting students. Um, they would have these magnet school fairs for parents to learn more about the different magnet school programs. And I learned from teachers that these schools were very competitive related to their magnet programs. I know one of the magnet schools in Duval County was Douglas Anderson School of the Arts. There was a couple others, Stanton College Preparatory School and Paxson School for Advanced Studies, which were magnet schools um, that focused on college preparation. And that's just some of the magnet schools in that district. The main thing I'd like you to do over the next 2 weeks, this week you'll be starting it and finishing it up either this week or next week, but it's not due until April 12th, is the School Profile Project. So if you click on School Profile Project, this will be a project that you'll do individually. Um, you're going to be assigned a particular type of school. Right here, you see a list of some different types of schools. There's public schools, charter schools, magnet schools, private schools that have a religious affiliation, like a Catholic high school, um, and then there's private schools that don't have any religious affiliation. So so you got to look at your last name as to what type of school you'll be focusing on for this project. And what you'll be doing is creating a slide presentation, either using Google Slides or Prezi. And I would like you to have at least 8 slides. Your slides are going to focus around the following kind of components of a school. Um, you don't have to only focus on these 6 things. You can go beyond that. And as far as what you want to put as far in each component on your slide presentation, that's totally up to you. Once you've finished your slide presentation, you're going to need to create a screencasting video. I provide an article right here that gives you several screencasting tools. I've used Screencast-O-Matic, Jing, and Screencastify several times. They're very easy to use. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic right now. Basically what it does is it records whatever is on your screen. And you can choose to have yourself in the picture like I am now, or just your voice. But whatever you say and wherever you point whatever you click on or point to is what shows up in the video. So it records a video and it'll give you a video file. That video file I want you to then upload to YouTube so you can get a shareable link. I don't think Canvas will accept large video file sizes, so you need to upload your screencast to YouTube and then share the link to submit the assignment. So this video here shows you how to do that. I'd be happy to help you if you're having any problems. Feel free to set up a Zoom meeting with me, or email me, or you can even call me. All right, so once you've gotten your shareable link to your video in YouTube, you're going to post that link to this assignment page. And I'll be making those presentations available to everybody, so that you can learn about some different types of schools. So this is the rubric for that assignment. You can see that there are criteria for content, use of the presentation tool, explanation of ideas and information, and mechanics. So please let me know if you have any questions regarding this assignment. You'll have 2 weeks to do it. And again, you're doing this individually. And I think you'll learn a lot about school governance and about schools in general by doing this assignment. All right, well, I hope you have a wonderful week, and please stay healthy, and I hope you're doing great. Bye.